Outfit of the day to work. I'm wearing this jumpsuit with these leopard print sandals. But my top tip for wearing jumpsuits is because I find it really tricky to find a jumpsuit that looks half decent. But I found the ones that you get that have drawstrings here and you can really kind of cinch in the waist and ruche over look the most flattering because it gives you more of a waist. And then what I do is I always tell you this, don't I? But you can see if I wear the sleeves down, it's quite nice. But if I ruche them up to my waist, the little bit of ruching kind of highlights the waist a bit more. And then again, I do exactly the same on the hem here. I always turn up because I think it just gives a bit more shape to the leg with a little turn up. Outfit of the day.